It's no secret that many small businesses have struggled to stay afloat throughout this pandemic. With a lack of foot traffic and canceled events, our local food trucks were hit especially hard. One woman in Aurelius Township, just west of Mason, recognized this early on and decided she was going to help any way she could. And she has, with the help of her nearly 300 neighbors. Her name is Katie Snyder, but others refer to her as the food truck angel.
I heard that a local food truck was willing to make deliveries within 20 miles from Lansing.
They're driving, dozens of miles to deliver a single pizza, and it just seemed to not make sense.
So, Snyder invited the food truck, Shove It Pizza, to park in her subdivision, Columbia Lakes. She then took to her subdivision's Facebook group.
So she put it out there of, let's bring the truck in and let's take advanced orders. People placed orders, the truck came out, sold out. They sold all the orders they prepped, plus they sold additional, and it kind of started an idea.
Snyder was originally doing one a month, but now she organizes the food trucks to come out every 2 weeks.
As soon as I get them scheduled, I let people know when they're coming, and then I let them know it's almost time, here's the menu, it's today, come now.
Wednesday's food truck was Nom Nom Ninja from Mount Pleasant, which visits 2 to 3 subdivisions across Michigan per week to compensate for the lack of events they would normally be working at. Today, they made $2,000 in sales.
Our average sales are about $1,500 per subdivision.
Food truck owners seem really appreciative to have kind of that opportunity back to be out in the community without having to necessarily be at an event.
They'll say, they say, well, did you come down and see us? Did you come and get your meal? And oh yeah, I was there. And well, you didn't tell us, we had a free meal waiting for you. She said, no, I'm really not doing it for free meals. I want to pay like everybody else. This is all about giving you guys opportunity.
And the community loves it. It's a break from their normal routine. It's kind of been a little food truck light in the darkness here.
Or one time it's donuts and cider, another it's hibachi burritos. It never ceases to amaze us what can come through as far as a food truck and a small business that we then get to support and want to keep coming back to.
Through her efforts, Snyder has helped 19 food trucks generate roughly $20,000 in sales, making her a true food truck angel indeed. Reporting for Fox 47 News from your neighborhood in Mason, I'm Lauren Shields.